Yeah, hi guys, short video here about this JIAN Boland WA28 fingerprint reader, which works with the standard window hello recognition system. That's exactly what we want. Some quick information here in the back. But the main topic here in this video is of course to install, see if it's really plug and play, and then how fast it works. Very important of course that we see that we don't have to install any other software, because we really want to see that it's working with the official Windows Hello system. This is exactly what we want, especially regarding safety, security. I don't want to use anything else than that, of course. And so let's see what we get here. Comes with a quick instructions manual, but I guess that's not needed. Should be plug and play. If it's not, I will send it back, because this is how it's supposed to be. It has a large anti-skid pad underneath, that's good. And so we can see that now live. I've never plugged it in before, and so I push it here inside. Get the red light here. So this is a couple of minutes later. I've been waiting to see if anything is going to change, any installation message or so, but there's absolutely nothing. Just checking here in the biometric devices, going here a little bit closer, so hope you can see that we have two devices. Now unplugging this fingerprint reader again. So let's see what's going to happen. Now you can see the change, hopefully. Now it's just one. That's probably the built-in sensor which I have here in this Lenovo laptop, and now I plug it back in. Just takes probably 1 or 2 seconds. Now you can see it says chip sailing fingerprint USB driver. Maybe a little bit of information if you are interested. Driver. Okay, you can see Microsoft Windows hardware compatibility. Publisher. Sounds pretty good. Okay, I mean, I'm not an absolute pro. For me it looks good at the moment. But now of course you want to see if it's working plug and play. To unlock this computer, just hold my hand here on top. Says fingerprint not recognized. How is it here on the laptop itself? Same thing. Maybe let's try first with the pin. Okay, maybe it was just a one-time thing. Let's try it again. Okay, worked here on the laptop, but not on the fingerprint reader. Maybe I have to register a new fingerprint. And so I've done some research, everything seems to be okay, but I have to register my fingerprint again here. And so let's hold it, you can see, yeah, works about same as other fingerprint readers. As far as I can see, just have to swipe finger. Okay, now says all set. I can use the fingerprint, even register the second finger. Had to log in again with my code. Now trying the fingerprint. Okay. And once again. And once again, you can see. Yeah, I've done this now a couple of times in a row. Of course, I had to blur the login screen because it quickly shows my name and email, something like that. But I've unlocked it now a couple of times in a row and it worked absolutely awesome. Of course, it doesn't support ESS, but we cannot expect that in this class. So that's pretty much normal, comparable with pretty much all fingerprint readers or fingerprint reader mice. I've also tested if the old fingerprint reader from the Lenovo laptop is still working, and it definitely does. I actually just connected it here to test it. I'm not going to use that here, of course, in the future, because I have even a built-in fingerprint reader with ESS. But everything looking good so far, I would say. Registering worked great, recognizing fingerprint works great, everything seems to be legit, driver, everything. So I'm super happy with it, definitely going to use it on my computer. And so if you're interested in this WA28 USB fingerprint reader, and you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this fingerprint reader, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.